Next, we have specification number 9, which asks us to describe the functions of the main regions of the digestive system, limited to the following. The mouth, ingestion takes place here, along with physical digestion through chewing and chemical digestion of starch by amylase. The salivary glands, these secrete saliva that contains amylase. The stomach, physical digestion occurs here, as well as chemical digestion of protein by protease, with hydrochloric acid present in the gastric secretions. The small intestine, including the duodenum and ileum, starch is broken down by amylase, maltose by maltase, protein by protease, and lipids by lipase. The liver, production of bile and storage of glycogen. The gallbladder, storage of bile. The pancreas, alkaline secretion containing amylase, protease, and lipase. The ileum and colon, absorption. And finally, the rectum and anus, digestion. So, this table presents the main structures of the digestive system and what they do. We'll start with the mouth and salivary glands. Here, mechanical digestion takes place as the teeth chew food into smaller pieces, increasing the surface area to volume ratio. At the same time, chemical digestion begins. Amylase enzymes in the saliva start breaking starch down into maltose. The tongue shapes the food into a ball called the bolus, and saliva lubricates it so it can be swallowed easily. Next is the esophagus. This is the tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. After swallowing, the food bolus travels down through wave-like contractions called peristalsis, which push it along without relying on gravity. Then we reach the stomach. Here, food is churned by muscular contractions for mechanical digestion. Protease enzymes start to chemically digest proteins, and hydrochloric acid is present to kill bacteria in the food and provide the right acidic conditions for protease to work. After that comes the small intestine. The first part is the duodenum, where food from the stomach completes its digestion by enzymes produced here and by the pancreas. The conditions are slightly alkaline, around pH 8 to 9. The second part is the ileum, where absorption happens. It's long and lined with villi, which massively increase the surface area for absorption of digested food molecules. Now, the large intestine. In the colon, water is absorbed from the remaining material to form feces. That feces is then stored in the rectum and eventually removed through the anus. The pancreas produces all three digestive enzymes, amylase, protease, and lipase. It secretes these enzymes in an alkaline fluid into the duodenum to neutralize the acidic fluid coming from the stomach. It also produces bile, which emulsifies fats, breaking large droplets into smaller ones. That's a form of mechanical digestion. Moving on to the liver. Here, amino acids that aren't used for making proteins are broken down in a process called deamination, producing urea. The liver also stores bile and releases it into the duodenum when needed. And finally, the gallbladder. Its job is simple, it stores bile and releases it into the duodenum when required.